Are you ready to grow the juiciest, most flavorful tomatoes right in your own backyard? Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these 9 proven tomato growing tips will help you achieve your best harvest yet. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Start with quality seeds. The first step to growing great tomatoes is choosing quality seeds. Opt for heirloom or hybrid varieties that are well suited to your climate. Healthy seeds will give you a solid start to a fruitful harvest. Tip 2. Use the right soil. Tomatoes thrive in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. Add compost or organic matter to your garden beds to give your tomatoes the best chance to grow strong and healthy. Tip 3. Proper spacing for healthy growth. Spacing is key. Be sure to plant your tomatoes far enough apart to allow for air circulation and sunlight. This helps prevent disease and encourages stronger plants. Tip 4. Water consistently. Tomatoes need consistent watering to stay healthy. Keep the soil evenly moist, but avoid overwatering. Too much water can lead to root rot, so aim for deep, steady watering instead. Tip 5. Mulch for moisture retention. Applying mulch around your tomato plants helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and reduce weeds. A thick layer of mulch will keep your plants happy and reduce the need for constant watering. Tip 6. Prune your tomato plants. Pruning is essential for healthy tomato plants. Regularly remove suckers and any dead or damaged leaves to encourage better airflow and direct the plant's energy into producing more fruit. Tip 7. Support your plants. Tomato plants can get heavy, especially when they're full of fruit. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to support your plants and keep them off the ground. This helps reduce the risk of disease and keeps your tomatoes looking great. Tip 8. Harvest at the right time. Picking your tomatoes at the right time is crucial for flavor. Wait until they are fully ripe, firm but slightly soft and with vibrant color. This is when they'll taste their best. Tip 9. Rotate crops. To keep your soil healthy and free from pests, rotate your crops every season. Growing tomatoes in the same spot year after year can deplete the soil and invite disease. Give your plants a fresh start each season. Follow these 9 tips, and you'll soon be harvesting the juiciest, most delicious tomatoes you've ever grown. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your tomato growing successes in the comments below. Happy gardening!